All right, A team, Terrain with All Terrain Cleaning Solutions. Visit us at allterrain.com for the supreme clean. Again, out doing moss removal, so we got our handy dandy pull brush, and we're just brushing this. So all of this is all, see, off the face of it's all loose. Now what we're gonna do is gonna go back down off the roof, get our blower, blow all this stuff down off of the roof, and then we're gonna go ahead and treat it to kill all the lichen and the algae and stuff like that. So, but this, all I'm doing is just going like this here. Watch this, moss removal. You see that? So you're brushing it off, and this is the safest way to do it. But yeah, subscribe to our YouTube channel if you haven't yet. Leave a comment, give us a like, help spread the word, especially if you're in the Sacramento region. Definitely visit allterrain.com. We'll love to assist you. Home of the Supreme Clean. For the Supreme Clean, 916-549-5255. Make that phone number ring. Visit us at allterrain.com for a list of our cleaning solutions. Thank you. Have a great day, everyone.